2009 Toyota Sequoia SR5. Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this beautiful Sequoia. It's got 165,000 miles on it. It doesn't look like it. You know these trucks, if you've been shopping for them, you know these things go 400,000 or 500,000 miles. You see them for sale with ridiculous miles all the time. This one's low for the year, low for the vehicle. We put brand new tires on it, did a fresh oil change, put a new battery in it. It's been fully inspected. The Carfax is clear. It's a local trade. We have the black interior. It's got third row with seating for 8. The big touchscreen was added into it with backup camera. It's got the full flat rear row in it. Just really nice and clean. It's ready to, you can fly in, drive it home anywhere. We didn't put it on there. It came with a backup camera, not factory. Didn't have that in those years. It's really clean. It drives really solid. Great condition for the year. So come on in, check it out. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. And we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.